Packed up our food and gone back in and eaten it inside.
No. I could probably eat it now, though. Mamma mia. Here we go again. What can you do?
That's a ruffle.
That's another spider.
God bless Michael.
No, it's not. That's wet. That's sweet. Coming over this way.
That's normal.
What?
I don't know.
No, the house.
No, it's been very strange all summer.
Yeah.
A lot of rain. Much more than
Same
normal.
back in Ireland. Like our whole summer, we can get floods and everything. You know,
Oh,
like,
really?
Yeah. So
No, we don't usually have that, but this year's been terrible. All of
Typical.
June, every single day, it poured rain. Like almost 28 days of June rain.
Really?
mad.
Yeah. We never,
It's not
I
normal.
thought
Like
it was always
at all.
really sunny and unbearably hot like in the
Yeah.
summers over here. That's where we were
That's right,
expecting.
usually. Alright, we're gonna make a run straight for it.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck. Bye. Taxi there. But I don't know, there might be someone in it.
There is.
Probably keeping them all open.
Oh, there's a big thunder coming up in 5 seconds. Nice. Like that. Oh shit, we're getting. Oh, she must be getting it, right? Oh, for fuck's sake.
Greeny, Magdalene.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
In that taxi.
Okay, it's right there.
Ah, lo todito compramos la misma.
Scary? It's a bit weird, alright. A little bit weird. Bonito. walking into the pub.
You're gonna get drained just going over to the
I
pub
know.
anyway.
One more here. One more. Serious.
This is dripping right on my back. They have their lights on.
Oh God. It's like endless. I don't think we're getting any car.
Line on.
I don't think you're gonna get it.
And then we gotta make a run for it then.
No, wait a minute. Well, Jesus.
We should have just been eating. We could be still eating our lovely, delicious food in there.
No. What the hell? Oh,
Mind the camera.
I know. Oh, I think that's gonna be it.
Look at my lovely flip-flops. I'm gonna have to buy new ones. People not like even share taxis in rain like this.
No. Heavier, like.
Yeah, I know.
Holy.
They're bad for squirrels.
Pretty scary, isn't it? The end of the world.
We'll just make a little run for it.
One
like.
more thunder and then this is over. God. Oh, what is this?